Hi everybody, welcome back. This is another video. So today we are going to jump in. Toby does this every video. So today we're going to jump into this eye look. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It's kind of going to be like a purpley winter start to everything. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and comment below and tell me what you liked about this look and this technique that I'm using on my eyes today. So if you are new here, let me know. Give this big video a thumbs up and subscribe and put that post notification bell on so that we know that you're a part of this. And let's get started.
Hey you guys, so I'm back here with another video as I said before. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into this. This is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab palette in Bling Boss. And I'm going to be using this palette in this video, and as well as the Bare Necessities palette by ColourPop. This is a new one to my collection, so I've been enjoying it. But here I'm showing you the first shade that I'm going to be using in the Bling Boss palette, and that's called Hush Hush. And this is just a regular blending brush that I'm using here, but I start out in little circular motions on the outer corner of my eye, and I just go to town with this color. And this is just for your base transition shade for all over the eyelid before you get serious with all the other colors, if you know what I mean. Alright, so next I am going in with the shade called Act a Fool from the ColourPop palette. I'm going to just put this right on the outer corner of my eye and blend it inwards. Just kind of shading it, ombreing it into the inner corner of my eye. And now I have something on my finger. And now I just go ahead and dabble onto the other eye with this shade as well. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the shade called In the Buff. This is just to basically smooth out those rough edges and harsh lines and just kind of blend everything together thus far. And I'm just doing windshield wiper motions, nothing too special. Alrighty, so here now you can see I'm going in with one more palette called Chill Baby. This is by the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics brand, or line rather. And I'm going to go in with a few shades from this palette just to deepen up this purple here. Okay, so here you can see I'm using a whole nother color shade, and this is actually the shade from the ColourPop palette called Spree, or if you don't have this palette available, you can go in with the Rockstar shade from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab palette, just depending on what you have near or what you have in general. Again, I'm just going in, dabbing it on the outer corner, and then I'm just really focusing this shade and concentrating it, really blending into the crease, and then just blending the harsh edges on the outer part of the lid. Then I'm just going to go ahead and dip in with the shade called Gem from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette to just deepen up that purple and give it some bam effect. Alright, so here you can see that I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow lid brush. This I'm just going to use underneath my waterline for the bottom eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go in with the shade called Hush Hush, again from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab palette, Boss Bling. Alrighty guys, so this is where I'm going to go in with the other shades. This is called Spree and Acte Full again. And I'm just putting those right up underneath my waterline. Alrighty guys, so what I'm using here is one of the brightest and prettiest inner quarter eyeshadows I've ever used before. It's like called Icing, I believe, and it's from ColourPop as well. I just recently ordered this and I fell in love with it, so yeah, definitely recommend getting that. I think it was like $4.99 or something. But now what I'm going in, I'm using Fix Plus to spray on my brush and my face to just go ahead and get the shimmer for the eyelid ready. I'm just going in with the color from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab palette again, and I am using the shade Bling Bling. This is my favorite shimmer to use for this eyeshadow. But yeah, so now I'm just going in and cleaning up those edges and making the shimmer and the eyeshadow meet.
This video a lot. If you're new here, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button below so we know you're part of the family, and hit that post notification bell off to the side so that you are notified of all my future uploads, and comment below if you enjoyed this video. Alright. Hey everybody, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up like I said in the beginning. Alright, you guys have a good one. Bye!